Hi guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG S75Q Soundbar. This soundbar is with Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, Meridian Technology, DTX system. Basically, you can connect this soundbar with HDMI cable, optical cable, Bluetooth connection. This soundbar is with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, DTS.X, and this gear. Basically, what we're going to do is to set this up, okay, and test the music using a mobile device. So this is the remote control, okay. This is the remote control for this, and this LG remote control. So, and this is the battery, and this is the wall mount. HDMI cable is included, which is handy. Okay, so to set this up, what we need to do is we need to put the battery in with the remote control first. Okay, now here is the battery. This is double A battery is what is using. Okay, so we put in double A battery and open it up. Okay, now put the positive where it's supposed to be and negative to the other end. Okay, and here we go. So the battery is in. Close it. Okay, push it upwards to close it, and it's in. Now what you want to do is to switch this soundbar on. Okay, and the subwoofer is wireless subwoofer. Okay, with this soundbar you can also switch it on. If you haven't got a remote, you can switch it on using this, okay, on top here. But we want to use the remote control to do this. So to switch this on, okay, it's plugged in. You can see hello. Now this is to show you, and it's in. Okay, you can see HDMI ARC. Now use the input to select. Okay, you can see BT. So now it changed. So use the input. Okay, this arrow is the input. So this is the input. Okay, so this is on and off. This is the input. Reduce the volume, increase the volume, and Bluetooth. So now we have selected this to BT, and it's showing us it's ready. So what we need to do now is we need to look for a Bluetooth device. Okay, so go to the mobile device. We want to test this using a mobile device first. Okay, then also you can also do this using the laptop. Okay, so what you want to do is, first of all, just gonna switch the music down so that you can hear exactly the sound system from here. Okay, so now going to hear the sound system. So select Bluetooth. Okay, go to your connection and switch the Bluetooth on. Okay, and this can see the Bluetooth is on. Now what you need to do is click on the Bluetooth and search for available device. If you scroll down, then you look for, you can see LG. Okay, scroll down, LG S75Q. Click on it. Now it's asking us Bluetooth pairing request. Pair LG 75Q. Okay, select pair, and this pairing. You can see it's showing my phone right now. It's showing, okay, it's showing my phone, so it's connected to Bluetooth. So what we need to do is we need to go to Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound, okay, and go to Epidemic Sound. So we are going to Epidemic Sound. Okay, so go to Epidemic Sound and test the sound quality. Okay, can see. Beautiful. This is nice gear. Beautiful. This is awesome. Testing this. That's sound quality very clear. And reduce the volume. This is Sound Pro standard, so you can use this, okay, to select the type of music you like. Let's change it to music cinematic. So use this, okay, button to change it to particular sound you like. You can change it to cinematic, change it to music, change it to clear, change it to sports. So you can change it to game, change the bass blast. This is AI's Sound Pro. So use this button here to control the sound, the type of sound you like. This is standard. This is music. So testing the sound quality. This is beautiful. Okay guys, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG S75Q Soundbar. This soundbar deserves your attention. This soundbar is with Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, Meridian technology. This soundbar connection is Bluetooth connection, HDMI cable, optical cable, and DTX. This soundbar is with DTS, okay? And basically, this is the subwoofer. Check out the unboxing of this soundbar. We test the sound quality. What we want to do is to test the sound quality using a laptop, okay? And this soundbar, just to tell you a bit of information about this soundbar, you can control this soundbar with using the remote control. It's included in the packaging. You can change it to bars, music, and the cinema. You can change it to game, okay? Pressing this arrow, this button here, for you to change it to particular the sound mode you want, okay? So you can connect this using the Bluetooth, increase and decrease the volume, okay? And basically, this soundbar deserves your attention. Just gonna tell you a bit of the features. So you can connect it to all your TV and LG TV, okay? Soundbar mode control, TV sound, mid share, Meridian technology, up firing speaker, okay? So this up firing, there are two speakers here. This is number one, and this is the second one, okay? You can also control this soundbar from here if you haven't got the remote control, but the remote control is included in the packaging, okay? The only thing, and also with HDMI cable, optical cable is not included, okay? And you can change it to preset mode, which is standard, like I said earlier: music, cinema, clear voice, sports, game, and bass blast, like I said. So you do this from this button here, okay? And 4K pass-through. This soundbar is 4K pass-through, high resolution audio support, okay? So you can't connect this soundbar to Wi-Fi. You can only connect it, like I said earlier, via Bluetooth, which is 4.2 Bluetooth. Input, you can use HDMI with ARC1 and optical cable, okay? Also output is HDMI 1 and also USB cable, okay? So this is the from the back here, okay? You can see this is the optical cable, and this is the USB cable, and this is HDMI in 1 and HDMI out, or HDMI out, okay? Now this is the, you plug this from here, okay? So this is power cable, and this is the wireless subwoofer that is connected already, okay? So this soundbar with general basically dimension is 65 by 890 by 111 millimeter, okay? Wireless subwoofer is 394 by 180 by 920 millimeter, which is height, width, and diameter. And the weight of soundbar is 3.79 kg. The weight of wireless subwoofer is 5.8 kg, okay? Box dimension 556 by 247 by 1070 millimeter, which is height, width, and dimension. Box weight is 13.84 kg. What is in the box is, you check my video, the unboxing, you see that the soundbar is inside with wireless subwoofer, remote control, 2 air battery, which we already put in the remote control, and the wall mount. This is the wall mount included, okay? And the user's guide. There's information about the user's guide. So this soundbar is one mode, which is the power is 38 watts, and when it's on mode, it's at 8 watts. When it's on standby, it's 0.5 watts. Okay, so basically you can also control this soundbar, connect app control and sound effect. This soundbar will work with your LG TV. It's compatible with iOS, Android. Okay, so what we want to do is basically to connect this soundbar to Bluetooth to the laptop, okay, and test the music. So connecting it to Bluetooth, okay, is what we're going to do. And you can see it's just showing us LG TV. Now we need to select Bluetooth, and you can see Bluetooth is ready. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to our laptop, okay, and go to the settings for the laptop, and go to the setting for the laptop, then add a device. Okay, so now we need to add a device. So this is the laptop. Okay, make sure your Bluetooth is on, okay, and select add a device. Once you select add a device, add a Bluetooth, and it will start to look for available device. So now I can find, if already found LG 75, so it's connecting. Here we go, just keep an eye. It's connected and it's telling us done. You can see it's showing us the laptop name and it's ready. So this soundbar now is connected, so we need to go to Epidemic Sound and test the sound quality. I use Epidemic Sound. Okay, this is Epidemic Sound. Now select browse the type of music you want to play. If you want to play happy mode, select happy mode. Okay, so any particular mode you want to play. Beautiful. Can increase the volume. Amazing stuff. This is firing up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice. So if you want to change the sound mode or preset, you select this button. So it's now in music. This is cinema. This is cinema. This is clear voice. Clear voice.
Oye, amorcito, porfa, deja de llorar.
Can see it's clear voice.
Nada peligroso.
This is pause.
Me quedo aquí contigo y nunca te voy a ver.
This is game. This is the bass. Bass blast.
Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. no vas a sufrir. Siempre estará contigo
Testing the sound
papá,
quality.
ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. Ya nada pasará. No, nada pasará.
Nice. Thank you very much, guys. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Please like, consider us to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed. This is the testing of the sound quality of this soundbar. This is LG soundbar with Meridian S75Q. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG S75Q soundbar with Meridian technology, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. This soundbar, you can connect it to a Bluetooth device, HDMI cable, and optical cable. If you check my video, you see how we connected this soundbar to a Bluetooth device. This soundbar is with two speakers firing upwards, okay, and with wireless subwoofer. This soundbar deserves your attention. Basically, it's a gadget that you can rely on, and from this soundbar, the measurement is 89 centimeter here, 89 centimeter, and also this end is 12 centimeter. Okay, the subwoofer is 18 centimeter, and the length, the height, if you like, is 39 centimeter. Okay, so this soundbar deserves your attention. Basically, just gonna give you a bit of information. Is very immersive, 3.12 channel, great cinema sound, Dolby Atmos with DTS, surround sound, Meridian audio technology, high resolution audio as it was meant to be heard. So basically, this is the overview of this soundbar. You can connect it, hook it up to all your TV. With this soundbar is with elevated sound with LG TV AI processor and designed to match with LG remote control. So this is the remote control included in the packaging, and it's using 2A battery. We already put the battery inside. Okay, so basically this soundbar, what we want to do is really tell you about information about it. Then we hook it up using optical cable. I got the optical cable. Optical cable is not included in the packaging. What is included is HDMI cable. Okay, so but I got optical cable at home that we need to hook up. Okay, this soundbar is for the full home entertainment experience with 4K pass-through for lossless resolution. The LG soundbar 75Q deliver 4K content including HDR and the Dolby Vision with minimal loss to quality of performance for a full connected TV and audio. And you can change it also to game mode or changing sound with Dolby Atmos visual, so you can change it to the game. I also change it to music, so you can change it to cinema as well. Okay, so basically this gear deserves your attention. And in terms of the specification, like I said here earlier, is 3.12 channel, and the TV mode control, TV sound mode share, Meridian technology, up firing speaker, Dolby Vision pass-through, Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Digital, DTX, DTX HD Master Audio, DTX High Definition, High Resolution, DTX Digital Sound, and audio file is FLAC and WAV. Preset sound mode, standard, music, cinema, clear voice, sports, game, and preset. So you can change the sound mode. You change the sound mode by pressing this button here. Okay, so you change to particular sound you want by pressing this button. Okay, so you can use this button to increase the volume, switch it on, also change it to Bluetooth. Okay, and go to the settings. Okay, now this soundbar, you can't connect it to Wi-Fi, but you can connect it to Bluetooth, like I said, HDMI with ARC and optical cable. Okay, output is HDMI and USB. Power, soundbar is 160 watts, subwoofer is 220 watts, and the sound pressure level 83 decibel for soundbar, and subwoofer is 85 decibel, and impedance and soundbar is 4 ohms and subwoofer is 3 ohms, and the dimension, like I said, soundbar is 65 for height, and the weight is 890. Okay, and diameter is 119, and wireless subwoofer is 394 by 180 by 290 mm for height, weight, and diameter. Soundbar is 3.75 kg and wireless subwoofer is 5.8 kg. Okay, so basically what is in the box, if you check my video, you see what is in the box. What is in the box is a soundbar, wireless subwoofer with remote control, 2 batteries, which is a double A battery, and wall mount is included. Okay, and the HDMI cable. So basically what I want to show you is how to hook this up. Okay, this soundbar, we're going to do this together. Okay, how to hook this soundbar up using optical cable and connect this to TV is what we are going to do. Okay, so I have the soundbar here. Now I'm going to bring the TV, okay, so that we can hook this up. I have LG TV here. This is LG TV. Okay, and to hook this up, what you need to do is, first of all, make sure the soundbar, okay, is unplugged. Okay, make sure everything is unplugged. Okay, and so this is for, so this is what, okay, so this is the wireless subwoofer. Okay, and this is for the soundbar. So basically unplug everything. Okay, and now this is the optical cable. This is what it looks like. Okay, I hope you can see it. So this optical cable. Now bring the soundbar. Okay, one end goes in here. Okay, push it inside, push it down, and it's in. Okay, now we need to do the same thing to the TV. Okay, so bring the TV. So this is the TV. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go put the soundbar optical cable here. Okay, the other end is in the soundbar and this end goes to here. Push it inside and it's in. Okay, so this is how to hook this up. Now we need to turn the TV around, but before we do that, we also need to connect the antenna for the TV. Yeah, so this is the antenna for the TV. We need to hook the antenna so that we can get the session and it's in. Now turn the TV around. Okay, once you turn the TV around, plug in the TV to the socket, plug into TV. Now plug in the soundbar to the socket. So this is the soundbar, okay, and we need to look for this. Here is the power cable, okay. So plug it on to the socket. It's in. Now we need to plug this wireless subwoofer to the socket as well. So we need to look for wireless subwoofer. Okay, this is the power cable for wireless subwoofer. Plug it on, okay. And now things are getting ready. So what we need to do now next is to switch the TV on. Okay, so move this to the side. Bring the soundbar here. Okay, now we need to switch the TV on. Here we go. Okay. We check the TV. Hope it's coming on. Right. I hope the TV is on. Switch it on. Here we go. So the TV is on. This is the volume for the TV. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. Okay. This is the soundbar and it's on. Now use this remote, okay, to select the input. This LG, HDMI, USB. This is optical.
It's been a long day.
Can see?
Yes, it has. And a wasted one. There's not a thing on these files we don't know already.
What did you expect? Intelligence got the report.
Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the TV settings. So we change it now to optical. Okay. Go to TV settings. Using the remote control, go to your TV settings. Let's remove this first. So go to the TV settings. Okay. And go to the sound. Scroll down to the sound mode. You can see sound mode is speaker. We need to select on it and change it to scroll down. Now scroll down to optical. Scroll to the side. This is the Bluetooth. This is mobile device. Optical.
I recognize the uniform.
There we go.
It is illegal to wear it.
Stop with respect to martial architects.
Can see the volume.
On splits.
Okay. So guys,
Perhaps now you recollect
now
when we last met.
so the sound is,
Just before the end of the war.
and if you look here, you will see
He
it's
briefed you.
optical. Can
And
see
you failed to carry out his
OPT
orders.
is optical cable. Okay, so this is how to connect this up,
Jettison before we crashed.
and also make sure
No. Confirms what we already know. The
Okay.
fuse was untested.
the other thing I want to show you is also you can use the remote control, increase the volume. Now you can also
Herr Leutnant.
change it. This is a clear voice.
Now,
This is the clear voice.
where
You can also change it
did you
to
jettison your bomb?
Spurs.
The aircraft was on fire. We bailed out. Where did you land?
In the open country, not far from
Braunschweig.
look below where you would find groundwater or any effects
Okay, so
of
guys,
ocean
this is
water.
how to change this.
Scientists also found there was a tremendous amount of hydrogen
See?
trapped in the rocks, which is
So this
completely
soundbar
unexpected. They
deserves
theorized it came from water that had been squeezed so strongly that it actually released hydrogen gas.
Beautiful.
They're not the only discoveries they made.
Okay, guys, thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribe now. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG soundbar S75Q. This soundbar is with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Meridian technology. You can hook this soundbar to HDMI and Bluetooth connection, optical cable. And if you check my video, see how we connected this soundbar to Bluetooth device. We also connected this soundbar using optical cable. I want to show you how to connect this soundbar to HDMI cable. And just to give you a bit of information, this is the wall mount that came with this, and this is the HDMI cable. and this is the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves attention. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. Okay, with wireless subwoofer, and to give you a bit of information, this soundbar got 2 speakers, okay, that are firing upwards. So got 2 speakers. You can select this soundbar to preset mode. You can change it to standard. You can use this button here to change it to standard, to music, to game, to cinema, or to sports, to clear voice. You can also select it to bass, okay, bass blast. Basically, this soundbar, just gonna bring the laptop to tell you a bit of information about it, and we'll go from there. If you check my video, see how we connected this soundbar. This soundbar, like I said, you can hook it up to Bluetooth, HDMI, and optical cable. And what is in the box is the soundbar, wireless subwoofer, remote control, which is using AA battery, and wall mount and user's guide. The power mode, okay, when it's on power mode is 38 watts. When it's on standby is 0.5 watts. Okay, and this soundbar is compatible with iOS, also compatible with Android. Okay, and it's with control sound effect. Box dimension is 556 by 247 by 1070 millimeter. Okay, and soundbar is 65 by 890 by 119 millimeter, which is height, width, and diameter. The subwoofer is 394 by 180 by 290 millimeter, which is height, width, and diameter. We can also use the look for. So I have the. Okay, so we can measure this, okay, with the tape measure. Okay, so this is 18 centimeter. Okay, and from here is 29.4 centimeter. Okay, and from the bottom is 39.4 centimeter. Okay, this soundbar, okay, is 12 centimeter. Okay, and from this end to the other end is 89 centimeter. 89 centimeter. Okay, so this gear deserves your attention. What we want to do is basically to show you how to hook this soundbar up, okay, using HDMI cable. I'm going to use HDMI cable that I got at home. This is the HDMI cable, and to do this, okay, what we need to do is we need to make sure we unplug the TV off, unplug the soundbar off, then before we start. And once you've done that, so unplug the TV and soundbar and wireless subwoofer, unplug everything. When you unplug everything, then this is the soundbar. Okay, so from the back here you have optical cable goes in here. This is a USB cable, and this HDMI in and HDMI out. Okay, so we need to put this, okay, HDMI out to HDMI out. Okay, so we go in to HDMI out. Push it inside. Okay, so I put it HDMI out. Okay, now we need to go back to the TV. So now turn the TV around. Now we need to put this, okay, another cable, okay, we put it to HDMI, okay, into or EAC. Okay, so we push this, okay, inside. So the other one is, so it goes into, okay, and this is the antenna for the TV. Switch it is on already. Now we're going to switch back all the gadgets on to the socket. So plug the soundbar to the socket. Okay, so this is the soundbar. Plug it into the socket. Plug the TV back in the socket, and plug the wireless subwoofer back to the socket. Okay, so pretty much they are all in. Now we use the remote control to switch the TV on. Okay, so the TV is on. Okay, so this is the TV. Now we need to plug the soundbar, switch the soundbar on. Okay, you can see the soundbar is on, and it's showing us HDMI
Fat Man and Little Boy bombs on Hiroshima
see,
and Nagasaki.
It's connected.
1945.
You can see the sound.
At once, they caused unparalleled death and destruction.
So once you've done
And
this,
secured
it
Allied
will,
victory against the
it will
Japanese
change,
Empire.
okay, to the sound that you
Salton
need.
Sea was vitally important to the Manhattan Project.
Fitness and positive mental health.
So once you change it, okay, and if you look at soundbar, it will show you arc.
Attention listeners.
You see,
A dog
it will show you arc here.
have been going around poor
This soundbar deserves your attention,
mischief.
and you can change.
I found you a bright
Beautiful.
sunlight.
If you see them, make sure to
Oh dear.
show it in the sun.
It's beautiful gear. You can change the preset, like I said earlier. You can change it, okay.
Because if no one cuts the
So you
bath
can reduce the volume. You can see the volume is reduced. You can reduce the volume using the remote control. You can also use this remote. Okay. Increase the volume. If you want to change it to cinema mode, then you use this button here to change it to cinema. So you just need to press.
I know that you want
You just need to press it. You change now to sports. Okay. So if you look here, you change to. Okay.
Whether the policy will
I
cover
switch
the
it off
veterinary bills
by
you
mistake.
needed.
So switch it on.
Pet plan was quick but a fuss.
Now I change it to
That's one
from
reason why
Bluetooth.
so many vets work with them.
Okay, you can see. So it's arc. Okay, so you just need to make sure you put this down and change it to. Here we go. Okay, and it's in arc now. Can increase the volume. Then change it to sports game. This is bass. So this is the bass blast.
So get your aerobics kits on for the bigger nights in!
You people over here.
Beautiful.
Bring it in.
They're idiots.
And I want to be one of them.
And just change it.
Please, no, sir, you can't instruct him. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir, you can't. No, you can't get in the car.
Okay. So if you want to see if the TV is work, you can see. So this can reduce the volume. So you can't use the remote for the TV. So you can only use the TV. Once you connect it, you use the remote for the soundbar to connect it up, to increase the volume and decrease it. Okay. So this is how to connect this up to HDMI cable. Okay. HDMI arc. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG soundbar, S75Q soundbar. This soundbar deserves your attention. This is with DTX, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth connection, HDMI arc, and optical cable. This soundbar is with 2 speakers firing upwards, and this soundbar is with surround system. You can hook it up using optical, HDMI, and HDMI cable is included in the packaging. This is the remote control. Check my video, see how it's using double A battery. Check my video how we connected this soundbar, okay, to Bluetooth device, mobile phone, laptop, and also hook it up with HDMI and optical cable. What I want to show you is how to hook this soundbar up to your TV via Bluetooth. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer, okay? It's with wireless subwoofer. Just gonna give you a bit of information with this soundbar, then we'll go from there to hook this up via Bluetooth device. Okay, this soundbar, okay, is basically for surround system, and the soundbar dimension is 65 by 890 by 119 millimeter, okay, which is height, width, and diameter. Wireless subwoofer is 394 or 180 and 290 millimeter. When you change this to centimeter, I'm also going to measure this, okay, using the tape measure for you to see, okay. This soundbar deserves your attention. Basically, is a gadget that you can rely on, okay. You can hook it up to LG TV, and all the TV is compatible with basically LG soundbar app, and it's compatible with iOS and Android. This gear deserves your attention, and sound pressure level is 83 decibel. Wireless subwoofer is 85 decibel. The power is 160 watts. Subwoofer is 220 watts. Okay, you can't connect this soundbar to Wi-Fi. You can only connect it, like I said, Bluetooth, HDMI with ARC and optical, and the output is HDMI and USB. This is with 4K pass-through and high resolution audio supported. Like I said, you can change this. You can change it to preset mode. Okay, you can select it to standard, music, clear voice, sports, game, and blast. You just need to press this button, this end here, okay, to change it to particular music mode or the sound mode that you want. Okay, this soundbar, like I mentioned earlier, is with audio processing, Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Digital, and DTS high definition master audio, DTS high definition high resolution, and this DS surround digital surround system, and this soundbar mode control, TV mode control, share, Meridian technology, and up-firing speaker. Total output is 380 watts, and this is 3.12 channel soundbar. Basically, this is information about this soundbar. What I want to show you is actually how we can hook this how we can connect this soundbar to our TV using Bluetooth connection. Okay, because it's a Bluetooth soundbar as well, which you can do. Okay, and to do this, first of all, we need to make sure that we plug the TV. I'm using LG TV to do this. Okay, so plug your TV onto the socket. The same thing is applicable. Plug the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer to the socket. Once you've done that, now we need to switch the TV on, okay, and also switch the soundbar on. So the TV is on.
Now you're 200 quid now.
So this is the perfect. Yeah. This is the TV sound.
Wheels are definitely safer than
okay. This is the TV sound. You can control it using the TV remote. Now we need to switch the soundbar. We need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, so the soundbar is switch. You can see hello. So the soundbar is on now. Now use the input to select to BT, and it change to BT. So use this button here. Okay. So use this button. This is for you to cancel the volume. So use this on mute. Use this button here for you to select to Bluetooth, okay, or change to particular input that you want. So now this is in Bluetooth. BT is Bluetooth. Okay, if you look over here and see it's in BT, which is Bluetooth. Okay, now we need to go to the TV. So go to the TV, go to the settings, select. Okay, use these settings. Go to settings for the TV. Now, once you select the settings, the next you need to do is scroll down to the volume. Scroll down scroll down, volume out, select to volume, okay, and you can see TV speaker now is what is on. We need to scroll down sideways. Now this is the Bluetooth, okay, you can see device listed, so we need to select Bluetooth device listed, select OK, scroll down to device, so scroll down to device listed and search. Once you select search, it will start to look for available device. So it's now looking for available device. Here we go. Here are all the devices, Bluetooth devices. So we can see when you look down, then you can see previous devices that connected to this sound, to this TV. So we need to look down, okay, use the down arrow. Now go scroll down. So go back to the sound again. Okay, select the sound. Okay. When you select the sound, we can go back. Okay, so go back again to the settings. Okay, now scroll down to the sound. Once you scroll down to the sound, select sound. Okay, then scroll sideways to the Bluetooth device. Okay, scroll down to Bluetooth device, select on Bluetooth device. It will start to look for available device. Okay, you can see now what we need to do is we need to scroll down. Okay, use the side arrow to come. Okay, so use this sideways arrow to scroll down to the speaker. I can see one device connected. Okay, we need to scroll down, keep going. This is boss, so we need to keep going, looking for what we are looking for is soundbar. You can see, if you can't see, we need to make sure we search for available device. Okay, so now if we are looking for, so scroll down to search for available device. So select, scroll down up or scroll down to search, select search. It will start search for available, and also make sure that your soundbar is not connected to any other device. Okay, it's also something that I need you to be aware of. Okay, so now we are looking for this LG TV. Also make sure that it's not connected to any. Also need to look for my mobile device to make sure it's not connected to it. Okay, so we just need to make sure that the Bluetooth is not connected to any other. It's not connected to any other device. Okay, so what we are looking for now is also, you can also go up again and look for, we are looking for LG. Okay, and this one is LG S75 is what we are looking for. So we need to go up and look, see if we can find it. LG 75. Okay, we're looking for LG 75. Okay, can't find it. We need to switch this on again and switch it back on. And make sure that this soundbar is not connected to any other device. Okay, so what we're doing now is looking for another this device. Okay, scroll down, search for. So it's searching. Okay, and also switch the soundbar back on again. Switch the soundbar on. When you switch the soundbar on, we need to make sure it's selected BT, which is Bluetooth. BT is Bluetooth. Select OK. And we want to see if we can find it. So what I'm doing now is to make sure that this soundbar is not hooked up. Make sure it's not hooked up to the TV. Make sure it's not hooked up to my laptop. Okay. Okay. I want to switch the TV on and switch it back on again. Okay, so what we are looking for is, we are looking for to connect this soundbar to Bluetooth device. You can see the Bluetooth is okay. It's switched off now. So switch it back on again. Okay, and switch the TV back on. Okay, now we'll go to the speaker, go to the mode. TV was turned off. Update has stopped. Do you want to update TV? Yes, so let's update the TV first. Okay, maybe the TV need update, so we'll just wait for, you can see it's updating. So once update finished, then we look for this soundbar again. Okay, perhaps the update is what is interfering, so we just need to wait for the update to finish. Then we search for this available device. And also, what you need to do is make sure that the BT, which is Bluetooth, okay, so we'll just wait for the update to complete and look for this device. So what it's doing now is updating.
Thankfully, Grandad had proper life insurance. Now I do too.
British Seniors has been chosen by more than 160,000 people across Britain to protect their families. With a guaranteed cash payout up to £10,000, prices start from just £4.32 a month. If you're a UK resident aged 50 to 80, you're guaranteed to be accepted, with no medicals or blood tests. And when you take out a policy, you'll receive a free £100 gift card.
Come on, you. Nap time. You need your sweet so you can be smart like your man.
So this LG TV, HDMI, USB, optical cable, BT, which is Bluetooth. Okay, so we just need to wait for the TV to update, then we'll search for available device. Okay, the update is done. Now we need to go to the setting, okay, and see if we can find this. Scroll down to the volume, scroll down to sound output, select on it. Okay, scroll down sideways to Bluetooth device and scroll down to device list. Search for this device. Okay, and so to search for available device, make sure you switch the Bluetooth, the soundbar on. Okay, once you put the soundbar on, switch also the TV on. Okay, and what you need to do is press Bluetooth, and it's showing us BT ready. Okay, now we need to look for this device. Okay, from the TV, go to the TV settings. Okay, once you go to the TV setting, scroll down to the sound. This is the sound out, select on it. Now then use the side arrow to select Bluetooth, scroll down to Bluetooth device and search for available device. So now it's searching for available device. Okay, so now it's searching for available device. Use the side, here we go. So we found it. So all the way we were searching for this, we didn't put ready. Okay, so we found the soundbar we are looking for, LG S75Q. So you need to make sure you press the Bluetooth, okay, and it will show you Bluetooth ready, okay, before you connect it. Okay, so select on it. So you scroll down to make sure you connect it to, scroll down, select LG75Q, which is this one. Okay, select on it, and it's communicating, it's connecting. Here we go. So this is paired, so you can increase the volume now. So you can also use the remote control to increase the volume.
Now take what our women and children need for the journey to the Rosebud.
So guys, so this is how to connect this